Welcome back. Still tuned into Midcap Radar on CNBC-TV18. Confidence Petroleum, that is the stock on our radar. The auto LPG retailer and cylinder manufacturer has commissioned 10 new LPG dispensing stations, taking the total to nearly 220. Nitin Khara, the chairman and chief managing director at the company, is joining us now. Mr. Khara, good afternoon. Thanks a lot for joining us. With the additional LPG dispensing stations that you have put out, what is the additional volume that you expect as per each station, and what would that mean for your volume growth in the LPG division this year?
Yeah, very good afternoon, Sonal. Yes, in last quarter we have developed this 10 more LPG stations. So on the basis of that, we are expecting around 10% growth in our volume, day-to-day volumes, daily volumes.
So how much would...
Presently, we are selling almost 290,000 to 3 lakh liter per day. So now we are expecting around 3,25,000. We are expecting to achieve around 3,25,000 liters per day.
By addition of these 10 LPG dispensing stations.
Right.
Okay, all right.
Okay. So this 3,25,000 liters per day would, how much of an annual increase would it be? Say same time last year, what would it be, your number?
As I told you that, yes, Rima, definitely around 10% growth through this 10 lessons, but another 80 are also in pipeline. We are hoping that we will complete around 50 to 80 stations by this March end. So volume wise, if you can say, by next year, definitely we will cross around 4,25,000 liters to 4,50,000 liters per day.
That is once...
Almost around 40% growth we are expecting in our auto LPG segment.
In FY23 itself?
Yeah, right.
Okay, so you're confident that the rest of the 80 stations will come on stream by end of FY23, taking your total volumes to 4,25,000 liters per day.
Yeah, almost 50 to 80 stations. We are targeting no doubt 80 stations, but 50 to 80 stations will complete by this FY23.
Okay.
So we are expecting around the volume of growth of 40% in present volume. What's going on?
Okay. Sir, that's about the auto LPG. Could you tell us, you've acquired a plant in Dahej. What is the current utilization there, and by the end of the year, what could it look like?
See, presently, as a little bit constrained in that, because presently CNG prices are gone up, but government has appointed Mr. Kirit Parekh and his committee to evaluate the prices, and hopefully the prices internationally also the prices of natural gas has reduced much little bit. So we are hopefully expecting the prices will go down. So on the basis of that, we can utilize our 100% capacity of Dahej as well as in Nagpur as well as in Halola for CNG cylinder manufacturing.
So right now the demand is low because of higher CNG prices, is what you're telling us?
Right. Definitely, Sonal. Due to this price constraint, some little bit demand is gone down.
How much? How much has it gone down by? Because the last time you told us that CNG demand has gone up by 40% in last 6 months. From the peak, how much have you seen it coming down?
Almost around 40% has gone down, whatever requirement earlier it was.
All right, so 40% decline. So in that case, your CNG dispensation volumes will be lower in FY23?
No. CNG dispensing is going good, but whatever CNG cylinder manufacturing plants which we have acquired in Dahej and Halol is a little bit going down, but hopefully these prices will come down. So again, the market will remain the same.
Okay.
What I will say.
Okay. So right now utilizations are low in terms of CNG cylinder manufacturing. So how much has it come down in terms of what did you do earlier in terms of manufacturing? How much are you doing now?
See, as capacity wise, we have 3,50,000 cylinders per annum presently. We have installed present capacity. That utilization we are doing almost around 2 lakh to 2,25,000 cylinders per annum presently on working basis.
Okay. So you expect it to increase from here?
wise day by growth is there in retail, means dispensing, which we are installing 100 station in Bangalore. So there we are getting day by day growth in that segment. But in cylinder manufacturing, the demand presently is poor.
Okay, so poor demand when it comes to CNG cylinders because of higher CNG prices. Last question before we let you go. You had spoken about 300 crore worth order from Tata's and the other groups. Where is it in terms of execution, and have you started receiving that money?
Yeah, that's going on, which we have got the order that we are completing that order. Presently, we have got the order from Bharat Petroleum for cascade also, to manufacture the cascade also. So that's also a additional going on. Additional revenue will come from that also. And in addition to this, Sonal, as you are aware that we are in pack cylinder division business. So there also we are getting a good revenue generation in last quarter, as well as we are expecting more in coming quarters also. As we have launched one jumbo 425 kg cylinders, that's we are getting a good response from the market to use for the industrial and commercial use, for industrial and commercial.
Right, right. Okay.
As well,
Right.
we are, yes.
Okay.
Mr. Khara, we are out of time. Thank you very much for joining in. We'll continue this conversation another day. That's Confidence Petroleum, quite bullish on the auto LPG segment. Get into a break. As we do that, a quick reminding and a programming note to fully commit to the cause of bridging the gender parity gap at the workforce. CNBC-TV18 is all set to lead charge with a one-of-its-kind mega initiative. Future Female Forward, the Women's Collective, presented by HSBC. The initiative will be officially launched through an exclusive on-ground event on Friday, 25th of November, in the presence of Shireen Bhan, Managing Editor, CNBC-TV18, Mr. Hitendra Dave of HSBC, and other women leaders of India Inc. Also in attendance will be some of the most influential voices from business, entrepreneurship, and entertainment. So don't forget to tune in on CNBC-TV18 on the 25th of November, Friday, 5:30 p.m.